Hello, beautiful souls. How are you faring today? I'm going to speak on how every time that you're triggered, you feel depressed. You feel like you did something wrong, like you set yourself back from everything, and that all the hard work you've done, you feel like you destroyed that. You didn't. You just are learning. You destroyed nothing. And the chickadees concur. They're asking you to be brave, to have fun, and your community is coming in. Sing of your own praises and the joy of life. And I do believe there's a red-breasted nuthatch. Just remember that you're learning. Eagle call. You're learning. You're going to continue to learn. You don't get upset with a baby who's trying to walk, who's just learning. You don't get upset with them for falling. You cheer them on and say, oh my gosh, you did so fantastic. You can do it again. That's the same thing. You're reparenting yourself. And every time you fall, it's just a learning experience. You're doing fantastic. And you'll get through it. You always do. Remember who you are. There's a remembering in your soul that is coming through all your learnings. It's teaching you who you are. Oh, Masanis, you are magnificent and you are radiant. I love you.